Andrea from Simple Organized Solutions just spent the day with me, and we got my craft room, which had really become just a major junk room, and my garage cleaned out, and there's nothing left. By the end of the day, we had taken, well, first of all, we were lucky enough to have one of the Salvation Army trucks go by that was picking stuff up. So they took a whole bunch of stuff out already. And then we had, I had 9 boxes of flooring left. I just had my flooring done. And I was just gonna, give it to random people. And she said, hey, you can take that back. So we took it back, and she helped me take it back. And I made $600. Yeah. And there were several other things that she said, okay, this, you should sell this, you should sell this, you should try and sell that. And then she said things like, throw that in the garbage, throw that in the garbage. So I won't be trying to sell anything that nobody wants. So it was a wonderful, wonderful day. And we went through every cabinet in the garage, which was mind-boggling. But you know what? She's so much fun, and I learned so much from her. I asked her all kinds of questions about what could I do with this, or what could I do with that, and she had wonderful suggestions for me. So I feel like I'm kind of on a path that I have got some skills now that I can hopefully keep things going the way they are, and then the other rooms that aren't too bad but still could use some help, I might be able to get done. So it was a good day.